He's going for my leg. Oh my gosh!
Alright, you're
No,
not
no.
chilled out.
It's okay. She's okay.
Go away from me.
It's not gonna bite you unless you freak out like that.
Calm down. Just put your hand where Cassie's hand is.
Right there, and just hold on to him. Just work with his body.
Look at that. You're doing it.
Yeah, wait. You're doing it. No, 5 more seconds.
No.
Come on, hold it.
Somehow the snake has made Olivia unable to talk.
He's not in there.
The equivalent of holding a snake is like taking a bong rip.
Yeah. Laughing gas.
Tamara, you should be seeing this.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
Tamara, come here. Oh my.
Are you crying or laughing, sweetheart? You don't know what you're doing, do you? Are you good? Oh, you should get it on my iPod. Okay, good. Is this the first time you held it? This is the first time you held it.
She would have done it a long time ago if she knew it was going to be this much fun.
I don't think the snake likes it.
I know, he's just shaking him all over.
Did you hear what Alex said? You would have done this a long time ago if you would have known this it was going to be this much fun.
She can't speak.
I think she wants you to take it. Look, she keeps looking at Jackson like, okay. Are you done? Wasn't that fun? Good job. I'm proud of you.
Holy cow.
New experiences.